Now for us today, I have a nice cold Arctic scene that we're gonna paint right here, right now. So you're gonna wanna start by putting in some white right on the top and just sprinkle it in. Now I already covered the canvas in a little bit of purple, so that's why it's coming out blue. We're just gonna start in the middle and keep going out further and further. Now, what this painting's missing is a nice big mountain right in the front. So we're just gonna scoop it on up, make a little mountain, and build another mountain right all the way up here. Let's add some snow onto these mountains by just lightly whisking this across the mountain and let the paint break nice and easy. It's time to add the shadow onto the other side, so we're just gonna get a little more color. We're just gonna run it right on up the sides of each of these mountains. Let's add some trees in here by just getting the fan brush with that mountain color and just tapping it right in. We're just gonna put some yellow right on the canvas, dot it right in to make them little meadows and fields. Now, let's put in the water. So we're just gonna get some blue on our little knife here and go back and forth with it. We're just gonna make a happy little waterfall. So you're gonna get your fan brush with that same watercolor, bring it to the side and whoosh. Let's put in a little tree. So we're just gonna get some brown on our brush, bring it right down, all the way down to the water. Now, let's add in some rocky areas right under this. So we're just gonna go straight on down with some brown. We're gonna add a little water down on the bottom. So you're just gonna grab your fan brush and wiggle it back and forth any way you like. We're just gonna put a big old line right in the middle of this painting. Let's add the highlights onto the tree. So we're just gonna grab some white on our knife. We're just gonna apply it wherever we want to. Now, let's add some limbs onto the tree. So we're just gonna put the brush on and just wiggle it all about. Now this is looking like a finished painting. From all of us here, I say happy painting and God bless.